It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood, a beautiful day for a neighbor. Would you be mine? Could you be mine? Won't you be my neighbor?
What did he say?
Oh shit. Gonna get me some coffee. Gonna get me some coffee from Starbucks. I honestly like both. I like Dutch and Starbucks. Oh shit. Oh man. That was funny and scary at the same time. Literally just downshifted when I thought I was gonna upshift. Skirt! I wish I can do that, but I can't, cause I'll fall. I don't want to fall. Try not to do that. Hi.
I did my dance one time on TikTok and went viral with it.
I had to hop onto this trend. So rude. As bikers are very easily amused. I promise I have a few brain cells. I hope.
Kill switch game starts now.
I'm just a friendly neighborhood fucked up guy. Hoo-yah!
Nope.
Will ever buy another. Yes.
I need your way.
Uphill, downhill.
Downhill. I will go in your right.
On my right? Okay.
Yeah.
Knock me over.
No. Thank you, bro. Oh, sorry. Sorry, bro. Oh, shit. Sorry, bro. Fuck. Right. I go right. Sorry, bro. Big sorry.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Poor guy. Oh! Sorry, bro. Sorry.
only person I know that's this stupid. I have to be the only one dumb enough to put my bike in gear trying to mount. Whoops, that's not the peg. Okay, dumbass, where's neutral? Just play it off. I hope nobody's seen that.